Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard White Thunder. Our travel time to base station Wild Arctic will be brief, as we will be traveling at speeds up to 400 miles per hour. There is the possibility of some turbulence, so please remain seated. On behalf of your captain and crew, we hope you enjoy the flight. Thank you.
This is Captain Emerson of White Thunder. Come back. No problem. We'll make it to base station Wild Arctic before that storm does. This is Captain Emerson. Welcome aboard White Thunder. Station Wild Arctic should be a short, comfortable flight. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the scenery. I heard a caribou. Looks like they're going in our direction. These sensors detecting what appears to be polar bear activity. We're racing an Arctic storm, but I think we have time to take a little side trip.
No, not a side trip.
I'll set our rotors to whisper mode so we can get in close. Oh, look at that. The mother and her cubs. Let's leave them be. We're in luck. There's more animal activity on the other side of this glacier. If we hurry, we can take a look. Hang on. White Thunder to base. We're dropping underwater. Whoa! That narwhal almost came in for a visit. Looks like that storm has picked up. We better get going.
Flying mode restored.
Don't want to scare those walls. I have a warning indicator light flashing. Folks, we're sitting down on this glacier, and I'm shutting down until I check it out. Oh no! Oh no! The edge of this glacier can't hold our weight. Got to get rotors back. It won't start. Thrusters on.
Oh my God!
Storm alert. Storm alert.
That storm front is trying to cut us off at the pass. Taking an emergency route.
Oh great! Doing your emergency routes. There you are.
Computer's out. We're on our own. We'll avoid these high winds by taking a path through this castle. Hang on.
I win.
It's an avalanche.
Oh yeah. Oh no!
Brace yourselves. We made it. This is White Thunder. And we're all looking forward to solid ground. We're coming in.
Oh yeah, by far. Oh my God. Oh jeez.
This is Captain Emerson thanking you for flying White Thunder. I hope you all have a great time exploring Base Station Wild.